So we need to find the LCM. Okay, so LCM. In this case, the LCM is 10. So the question is how I end up getting 10. So what I have done, I multiply this. Okay, I multiply this, give me 10. So another way I can say that 5 can go to 10, 2 can go to 10. So if I do 10 divide by 2 equal 5, and then I stop right there. So I got 5 and 2. Now if I go 10 divide by 5, it's gonna give me 2 right there. So this is the one I'm talking about. Okay, this is the one. All right, so we're not done yet. I just show you guys how I end up getting this 10. So okay, so this is how we're gonna do it. Now we're gonna put the line here. Okay, we're gonna put the line right there. Now this 10, this is the one we're gonna put right here. Okay, so our LCM is 10. Now we're gonna put we're gonna write 7 here. I mean we're gonna write 6 here. Okay, plus. Okay, now the way the other people do it, they're gonna put like this: 2 times 2, this one. Okay, so we're gonna write right here 2 times, okay, 2. Okay, that one is not 3. Okay, it's 2, this one. Okay, 2. Now for 5, this is how they're gonna do it: 3 times, I mean 5 times 3. So okay, we put here plus, so it's gonna be 5 times this 3. Okay, equal. Now you see this 10, we're gonna write here 10. Okay, now we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Okay, just gonna write up this one. So we're gonna write our 6 right here. Okay, 2 times 2 equal what? 4. So don't forget to write this plus right here. So 2 times 2 equal 4. Plus this 5 times 3 equal what? Equal 15. Okay, okay, our 10 right there. Now when we add 6 plus 4 equal 10, right? 10 plus 15 equal what? 25. Okay, all right. Okay,